Are you ready to welcome spring into your home? It's time to shake off the winter blues and breathe new life into your living space. We'll be sharing 3 practical tips to help you refresh your home for the vibrant season ahead. So, shall we dive into how you can make your home spring ready? First off, it's time to embrace fresh colors. Spring is all about new beginnings, and what better way to reflect that than with your decor? Imagine the soothing palette of pale yellow, soft green, sky blue, and lavender enhancing the serenity of your living space. You can easily infuse these hues into your home with simple accents like throw pillows, tablecloths, or fresh flowers. The result? A home that's as rejuvenating as a spring morning. With these colors, your home will definitely exude the refreshing vibe of spring. Next, let's welcome the outdoors in. There's something about spring that just makes us want to connect with nature. By incorporating natural elements, we can bring the beauty of spring right into our living spaces. Open those windows wide and invite in the fresh air and warming sunlight. Decorate with potted plants, branches in bloom, or vases filled with springtime flowers like tulips, daffodils, or hyacinths. Remember, the more you bring nature into your home, the more vibrant it will feel. Finally, it's time for some spring cleaning. A clean and organized space is just as important as adding new decor. Start by decluttering your belongings. This could mean going through your closet, your garage, or even your kitchen cabinets. Then it's time to pack away those winter items. Out with the old, in with the new, as they say. Give your home a good wipe down to make sure it's sparkling clean. By creating a clean canvas, your spring decorations will truly shine. With a clean and decluttered space, you're ready to fully embrace the spirit of spring in your home. There you have it, 3 simple yet effective ways to prepare your home for spring. Embrace fresh colors, welcome the outdoors in, and make time for spring cleaning and decluttering. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to welcome spring into your home and enjoy the refreshing change it brings.